Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. So let's get started. Make sure you have your Telegram on your device and your account logged in. Now open your Telegram app and you can see this interface over here. Click on the settings that is at the bottom right corner. And over here go to privacy and security. Scroll down a bit and you can see here automatically delete my account. Click on if away for. Now on this pop-up menu you will be provided with several options. Choose accordingly, and to delete your account now click on delete account now. Scroll down a bit and you can see delete my account. Click here and here click on continue. Also click on continue. Now to delete your account enter your phone number and click on continue. Here it says proceed to delete your account. Click here delete my account. You can see your account has been permanently deleted. So this is how you can delete your Telegram account. This much for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.